Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is The Little Green Jacket by Jody D. This is such a special little book that you can share with any of your kiddos or give it as a gift to someone you know that has little ones. This is such an important story. It follows a little green jacket through the lives of different children, and they all live in very different places. And it ends up on the other side of the world after a natural disaster. This is such a beautiful little story about how donation can really help other people. It's such an important, powerful, and magical book about giving and how it teaches your kiddo that getting something either secondhand or donating something that no longer serves you is so important to so many people. It is just such a neat little story as you go through. You see the experience of not only the children, but you're seeing it from the view of the green jacket itself. I think it's such a neat little book and that you and your kiddos are going to love it. And that's my point of view.